Megan's head must be spinning. She might be anticipating a proposal, but she'll never guess what's in store for her.
Just trust me.
I'm freaking out a little bit here. My hands are starting to shake, and I notice they're starting to get sweaty and stuff, and all I'm thinking is don't drop the ring on the floor.
Just keep walking straight.
I can tell Andrew's going through the checklist in his mind. He's freaking out.
Do I have the ring? Is she gonna bump into anything? Does she know what's going on?
A surprise proposal can go one of two ways. It can go really well, or it can go really badly.
Few more steps. Okay, now turn around towards my voice. Okay.
I am so overwhelmed.
Surprise. Megan, the last 2 years have been the best years of my life. Will you do me the honor of allowing me to be your husband?
I was super shocked. I can't believe that I'm engaged right now. I was so overjoyed.
The proposal went off without a hitch. Now I can tell Megan why she's really here today. The whole store is yours, sweetheart. We're gonna look through dresses, and hopefully we can find you the perfect dress. Okay? Yeah! So, Andrew, it's totally up to you if you want to stay or leave.
I'm gonna actually leave. I kind of want to be surprised. I'm confident that Megan's in the perfect hands with Keisha.
I can't even wrap my head around the fact that I'm going to have a wedding. Nonetheless, I'm choosing a dress today. Wow, it's a lot.
Okay, so now we're getting down to business. Megan has confirmed what Andrew told me, which is that she loves a retro vintage kind of vibe.
Having Keisha jumping straight in and helping me find a dress is just making the day even more perfect. I don't like the top. No. Not emotionally attached to this yet. It's okay. This dress is not a contender.
Now I'm going to put Megan in the ruffled extravaganza that her friends have picked out for her.
Wow.
Ooh.
It's beautiful on you. I love the sparkle of it.
This bottom part was what I was trying to avoid. I felt completely ridiculous.
Megan's not loving anything. I'm a little bit worried that she might be a little overwhelmed and may not be able to shop seriously today. But I'm not giving up. I want to find her perfect dress.
Ooh, that's really pretty.
Yes.
I was really surprised at how much I actually really like this dress. Wearing this dress, I feel amazing. I feel beautiful, comfortable.
It looks beautiful.
What do you think, Mom?
I love the sweetheart neckline on you because you are a sweetheart.
Are you gonna cry?
I might. Megan looks absolutely gorgeous in that dress.
I like it. Chris, we all start
I like
crying.
it.
Now,
Honestly,
Knock it out.
I like the veil.
Yeah, I can't even describe how I feel. It was totally amazing.
turn and look at yourself.
Okay. Oh my God. Oh my goodness. Whew. Wow. I'm looking at myself, you know, the veil and the dress and the ring, and it all just seemed to be fated and be meant to be, and this is exactly what was supposed to happen today. I think this is my perfect dress. I am beyond excited for Andrew to be able to see the dress that I chose. I think he'll be blown away.